One of the other gems that we've brought down for the sale is this 1943 Harley-Davidson WLC. This was a Canadian Forces military bike. That's why it's a 1943. Originally it would have been a drab green, but after the war they sold these bikes to civilians and you could order the fenders to make it back into a civilian model. This is a frame-off restoration with complete rebuilt engine, transmission, paint and body. It was registered locally up until this year. You could get on it and ride right now. It's had over $20,000 in restoration work done to it, and it is just a beauty. A bike like this does not come around every day, and one that needs pretty well nothing is a rare story as well. Beautiful piece done in 37 civilian colors of blue and white. Every little bit's done on it. Just put it on your trailer and take it to a show and have a smile on your face.